Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Innoven Foods. Today I will show you how to make Aloo Chicken Tikka Kabab. Crispy outside, soft inside and full of delicious smoky flavors. Let's get started. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon oil. Add 1 cup chicken pieces. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. The word tikka means pieces or chunks, usually marinated with spices. Half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon chilli powder, and 2 tablespoon beaten curd. Chicken tikka kebabs are a street food favorite in South Asia. They taste even better when served with mint chutney or garlic sauce. Cook for 7 to 8 minutes until the chicken is soft. Mash the chicken pieces well. Mash the chicken and potatoes finely for smooth, well-shaped kebabs. In a bowl, add 2 boiled mashed potatoes. Add the cooked chicken. One-fourth cup onion. 2 green chilies. Half teaspoon crushed coriander seeds. Half teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon cumin. Half teaspoon kebab masala. And 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Adding potatoes to kebabs gives them a soft and creamy texture. Always cook the chicken before mixing. It enhances flavor and ensures tenderness. Grease oil in your hand. Take some mixture and shape into kebabs. Adding a little kebab masala gives an authentic restaurant-style aroma. In a separate bowl, beat 2 eggs with 3 tablespoons milk. Dip the kebabs into the egg milk mixture. Then fry in medium heated oil until golden brown. Fry in medium heat to cook evenly without burning. This kebab is rich in protein from chicken and eggs. Potatoes provide healthy carbs for instant energy. Using minimal oil while frying can make it lighter. Serve with fresh salad for a more balanced meal. That's how you make delicious and crispy aloo chicken tikka kebabs at home, perfect for tea time parties or as a side dish for dinner. If you enjoyed this recipe, like, share and subscribe to Innoven Foods. See you in the next recipe.